Morning from Steve DeMarco HQ. It's very early in the morning and I'm about to go pick up the crew for the day.
Where are you off to? Don't stop, I'm already late. I'm going on an adventure.
There's something special about a ferry that makes you feel a little further away from home than you really are.
For instance, one color could be good road, good pavement.
Green. Yeah. Like red would be like no-go, like rough.
Yeah. Smooth.
So green would be like full tarmac, gravel.
Yeah, tarmac. And then we don't mark something.
I'm gonna explain to you. Remember that word called explain. Not explain, but I'm gonna explain to you.
Well, you see, we're not exploring. We're Splorin. It's very different.
So it's the weekend, we're here in the Sunshine Coast because we're organizing a cruise for our friends. And we're finding all the cool roads on Sunshine Coast that we can and seeing if they're suitable for minis. Gravel roads, paved roads. The one we're on right now is not really suitable for minis, so it's just a fun detour.
Right now we are at what's called Smuggler's Cove on the Sunshine Coast. We just did oh, I forgot to check how long it takes. 20-minute hike in, and we're at this super idyllic spot right in a little cove next to the ocean.
What are the 3 goals for the day?
1, we're gonna find the best driving roads. 2, we're gonna go shoot my gun. 3, we are going to get the pickup truck as dirty as we possibly can, going 4x4. And oh yeah, and 4, we are going to try to test the structural integrity of our GoPro camera.
Six and a half hours later.
Does this still work? Okay, that one didn't work. Okay, I need to find a juicy one. Pick one that's a juicy one.
Right turn coming up in like 30 seconds, right here.
This is a no-go for minis, I think.
No go for me.
Well, besides that one bump, it's been pretty smooth.
Yeah, okay, well let's try it. Let's see. All Forest Service roads in British Columbia are rated at 80 kilometers an hour unless otherwise posted. Yeah. Can you imagine doing 80 on here? Yeah. That's a rally course. It's not undoable in a mini.
No, this is pretty smooth.
Yeah.
There's no serious potholes besides the one we had to slow for.
Yeah.
If you're a lead car, you can slow for the group so everyone knows.
Yeah.
You want to stay that way first, and you want your front left to go up here. Yeah, so keep going. Start cutting it, hard left, hard left, hard left. Keep it coming, keep it coming. Yeah, got lots of clearance. All right, straighten out. No problem. Straight away. You're straight ahead. You were over it. What's that? I can't see nothing. Okay, now hard right. Cut right. You're good. Cut right. It's all clear. I know that Dakota's an unstoppable beast, but I don't think it's making it through there.
Let's just send it. Dry feet, old pole, Tiggy's Tango, and Lazy Boy.
You're not joking. I thought you were just making things up.
Yeah, and then this one's swampy, and obviously this B-side. Don't go there, there's a lot of cougars.
Don't, if you have heart problems, definitely avoid Cardiac Hill.
Oh, the Emerald Road!
That's what Dorothy was searching for. She was way off. This is why it ends on the map we were looking at. We went up here and we wanted to cut up this one. And this is where we couldn't, we got stuck. Maybe it was even right here. Look at the volume of normal roads compared to Forest Service roads on the Sunshine Coast. Like, all of this is explorable with a truck. And this is explorable in a car. Yeah, it's pretty amazing. That's crazy. That's the gas station, the Esso, and you go all the way down here, and you go here, and you go down here, around the lake, and then you go up here, and we can either go right to the water, do a little loop, or come back, and then yeah, that's the loop I want to do. So I want to go awesome. This, and then this, back. Sounds like a plan. Horse poop soup. Who comes up with these? That's great. AC/DC Canyon, Highway to Hell. What are you looking for? Looking for how to get to Horse Poop Soup.
What's Horse Poop Soup?
I don't know yet. It could be a mountain. It could be a campsite.
Is that its real name?
Real name.
Horse Poop Soup.
Someone's got a great sense of humor. It's like getting a million high fives. Is this your first time driving a truck?
Yeah.
Really? Ever?
Yeah.
Wow.
Is there anything
cool.
I should
No. Just drive over everything.
No.
You are a man.
Yeah, you got it.
That's Cougars Trail. Hopefully there's no real cougars. That'd be hilarious if someone show up and the truck's here and like, how'd you get up there? I drove up. Look, oh dude, there's bones down there.
Oh.
That's a skull and a rib cage. Like what kind? Human?
So what's the plan now?
Well, we spotted this skull of like, I think it's maybe a cow or something down there, and so we want to try to meet up with that trail to go get the skull.
A few moments later.
So we were up there and we saw the bones.
Oh wow. There's teeth on it and everything. Amazing. Look at the spine. All the vertebrae are still attached together. You should see if there's any cartilage still on it.
What do you think this is? Is it a cow? I don't know why a cow would be this far out. Is it maybe an elk?
Maybe somebody skinned it and taken everything.
Look at the jaw. You know what? At my mom's place, I dropped off my hunting book, and it should have.
Skeleton.
Yeah, I want the skull though. Let's take the skull.
Pretty green.
Well, we can put it outside.
Yeah, put it in the back.
Yeah.
You guys would definitely have to put this out and bleach it because fat is still gonna ooze out of the bones even though they've been bleached.
You're on camera knowing that much. Teeth marks?
They've been trying to get the cartilage off the bone. You can see the cross marks of teeth. Yeah, so jaws, like, think about like when a dog chews a bone, they stick their head sideways.
But why are they so equally and why are they such little dots?
They aren't little dots. Like if you, how do I explain it? Like if you see Julio eat a bone, he's trying to like, you know, their heads like constantly trying to get at the connective tissue, which is
Like contorts his head in order to get his
like
teeth as far in as
you know,
possible.
exactly.
Yeah.
So the connective tissue between the spine. Can I borrow the stick?
Having a lesson.
Right? Look how deep look at how deep they go. If this was someone trying to skin it, they're not gonna go in the tissue between the spine. Spinal column all the way down, tailbone right here.
Like you can see the tire marks.
Yeah.
Like people drive over that.
We would need a chainsaw to get through that.
Yeah. Crazy washed out and there's a giant like pond.
Marco,
Swamps over there.
Beyond the Log, Chapter 2, his life.
'Cause I mean,
anytime you
fitness-
might drive a truck, you have to bring your overalls.
Shut up.
Yeehaw.
See,
5 hits?
yeah, we suck. But look at those laser shots. For the next guy. Hopefully a better shot. Let's go home. Now straighten out. Straight. Slow, slow. Yeah. Perfect. And then really slow, just get the back to the other. Keep going.
That's a huge That's a huge difference.
Okay, yeah, good day. What were the 3 goals for today? They were...
To explore, get your truck as dirty as possible, and to go shooting my gun.
Yeah. Okay, how did we do number 1?
We've toured all around. We went pretty much from top to the bottom of the Sunshine Coast. Hi, puppy. We saw some old roads that we have been on before, and then also discovered some new ones.
Found some awesome Forest Service roads, but not mini friendly. Yeah.
Good for 4x4, eh? Good for getting the truck as dirty as possible.
Yep, I think we did that.
Yeah.
Everyone got a turn driving the truck.
Yeah. Yeah.
And we shot your gun.
We did. Yeah.
Finally, we definitely did smash the GoPro immediately. So cheers. Cheers to that.
Did I get the giant one?
Yep, cheers. The Sunshine Coast has a lot to offer.
We had a lot of fun exploring the back roads, but wait until you see the roads we found for minis. The cruise is on.